Hello, tutor. I am Lina Paola Jimenez. I'm from Colombia. I am businessman. I speak Spanish. I am 33 years old. I like to dance. I don't like to walk. I am studying psychology. My routine. I get up at 6 a.m. I start to meditate and I prepare the breakfast. I study at UNAD and here study psychology. After housework, I do university activities. I currently live in Puerto Boyacá. I play with my sons in the park and then I go to work. After doing the work, I prepare dinner and night I watch music videos. Thank you. Bye bye.